Hey yo web traveler, look at this shit, let's go! Yeah, we're opening those. I don't know what those are, in the terms of which cards are there, because I bought them a while ago and I forget things very fast. How the fuck did I not open this? Looking at the price and how they look, it's probably only 3 cards in here. That's often what happens with those. It's a little bit cheaper than the normal like booster box that you will buy, but I think you're overpaying them because there are only a few cards in here and you would get more out of a booster box. But anywho, the box itself look very nice and spicy, I love it. So let's let's see what's inside. There are packs inside. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna throw this away and I'm gonna take this. Alright, so 3 packs, alright. Okay, 2 cards. We get 2 cards in the pack. And one is thick, the other is less thick. Alright, let's start with less thick, I guess. I mean, it's alright. The art is great, but it's a little bit bent, which happens often with those more thick cards. But also there's no shine, there's nothing special, almost no shine, I should say. But there's also like some damage on this card. Not gonna lie, not a great style. There's some pattern at the back, but I don't care about patterns on the back. I'm all about the front. Holy shit, I can't show this without blurring it. God damn. So that's a very interesting card to see and to get. Only because I need to blur it, otherwise it would be, shit. But I don't like it very much because I don't like this color, and I also don't like that it has that kind of frame. I would like it more like just the character in a shot. I feel the texture, but I don't know, man. Oh, so that was kind of special because now I can see there's only like more thin cards. And we have probably Genshin Impact. Again, I don't like the quality on these ones. And yeah, alright. Man, I wish I could hype about this. Because the arts they choose is pretty decent. It's just that the card itself isn't a great quality. We have here also, again, the usual ones. Alright. So this one is the first one that has almost no issues whatsoever. There's a little dot here, but you almost don't see it. And this one is also quite good. There's also very little issues with it if you compare them to the other ones. So that's kind of cool. The energy isn't here at this video, I'm sorry. It's because the first card was shit and the second and the only hit was also not that beautiful. We are again back to the hits because I see that the other card is thick. So let's start with this one. Okay. This one doesn't have any issue whatsoever. So that's cool. But there's also like nothing really special happening with this card. I don't agree with the price that I paid for this. But let's see the special one. Alright. That I like a little bit more than the other one. In terms of how the character is displayed. Also very glossy, which is probably special. What I don't like is that the other one has nipples and this one doesn't. Like, why? Stay consistent, give me nipples. And I think we are down to 4 normal cards. Alright, that's an interesting angle. Goddamn, cool. Also, no quality issues. Alright. This one, okay, too young I guess to be here. I don't like it, but also no quality issues except for this. So there's only one hit in one box. I got unlucky with the first box because it had a lot of damage from the cards, but I guess the hit was better. And then we have this, and then we have this. I mean, the arts look awesome, but the cards itself, they are just bland. So I don't like this very much. And I would probably not recommend you to buy it, only if it's like on sale or something. Like I wouldn't mind to pay $5 for this box. The only thing that's consistent is how bent they are. Well, thank you for watching, and I see you in another one.